Hi everyone, Steve here from Imperial Light and Magic, and this is a function test of a prop we've been asked to build for a client. This is basically a keypad timer prop for an airsoft range that can also have the capability of firing off a pyrotechnic if your clients do not put in the correct code or escape or put in the code in time. So just to show you, at the moment it's saying ready. Now this is an operator code, so basically this is in program mode. It allows you to set your own passcode or own 4-digit code every game, so you don't have to sort of use the same code over and over again. Obviously if your guests have played the game multiple times, you may well have a way of changing that code each time. Also, just to note, at the moment I've got a voltmeter just over here, and the purpose of that will become clear. This whole system runs off a 9-volt battery. That battery there is running the majority of the guts of it. The battery over here is purely going through to power the pyrotechnic, which hopefully we'll see by that changing from 0 to 9 volts. Anyway, as I mentioned, when it's in ready mode, this is asking for a code to be input, and the way this works is you put in a 4-digit code and then the star key. So I'm going to put in 1 1 2 3 and then the star key. Now at the moment, with this key in this position, it remains in the operator mode. So basically you can pre-program this and just, you take the key out or whatever else, and the system will just stay in ready mode until such time as you wish to start the game or wish to start the countdown. So to do that, all you do is put the key in, turn it to the right, take the key out, and your countdown timer starts. So you can see we've got 1 hour pre-programmed onto this particular game. If your guests, when they start discovering codes or whatever else, they put in a wrong code, they get an incorrect buzzer sound. They get 5 attempts in the way I've programmed this at the moment. And that'll be 4. And then this last time, what will happen is the system will realize that they've got the wrong code. The display will change, you'll see that. But I'm going to also try to have the camera so you'll be able to see 9 volts flash up here just very quickly, enough to fire off a pyro. So let's put in the wrong code. There we go, all happened very quickly. Display changes to DEAD. The voltmeter did flash up to 9 volts just briefly, enough to fire off a pyro, then back down to 0. So basically we don't drain anything out of the batteries. So I'm just going to reset both of those, and we're still in ready mode, but the countdown will actually start because I didn't have the key in the other position, but I can actually still put in the operator code. So let's put in 1 1 2 3 start. So again, we can put in, your guests can put in incorrect code and we get the beep, but if they get the correct code, we get a different sort of tone, and it says done. At the moment I've got it so that this secondary relay will just trigger, but there's nothing obviously plugged into that. So if you wanted to add some sort of, I don't know, confetti cannon or something like that, then you can certainly do that if you wish at a later date. So that's a function test. Everything seems to be working okay. I've got to do some laser cut acrylic for this particular client, but otherwise that's pretty much good to go. So I also need to put in some way for the client to have probably another key switch hidden somewhere, so they can actually just have it as like a mains switch, if you like, to turn the power on and off. Anyway, that's about it. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye for now.